We are here at Sellier&Bellot ballistic testing range, and from all the thousands and thousands of guns that they have here, they also have this. And I don't know why, but this is very interesting for me. Essentially, this is not a gun, but works like a gun. It uses blanks. So what this is actually a crimper. So as you can see here, this is the crimping part, and this is the piston. And here we have a mechanism with a trigger, and you essentially open it, and this is, I think, the hammer, and then you open the breech here, maybe this is the safety, not sure, and you put a blank inside. You close the breech, and if I understand correctly, yeah, it goes off and it crimps here. And you can adjust the force of crimping, you see, by just turning around and changing the position. And this is the copper rod where you can see the results of the crimping. Why is this used? I don't know. Why do they have it here? Because Sellier&Bellot produces ammunition, blanks, everything, and all of the guns that are here for a specific reason. They have to test their ammo with the guns that then militaries, police, sport shooters use in the field, and I guess factories or workers use this for some kind of purpose, and they have to test their blanks to see that they work properly. And by the results of this, they do work.